Welcome to the Cox Business Video Library. In this segment, you'll learn how to configure 4 filtering features in the Malblock DNS security service. They are block and allow, website filtering, time of day restrictions or filtering, and leveraging default filtering. To access Malblock, go to coxbusiness.com and log into My Account. Scroll down to My Services and select the account that has Malblock as a service. Click on Internet. Click on Malblock Security. Finally, click on Malblock Dashboard and a new browser window will open. From the dashboard, you can customize Malblock Security based on your business needs. We'll begin with Protection Preferences. The Protection Preferences feature allows you to protect your company, employees, and customers from being exposed to inappropriate content, such as adult sites, gambling, hate sites, and many more. In order to illustrate how to block content by category, the following example details how an organization can block gambling content for employees. From the dashboard, click on Settings. Next, expand the Web Filters option by clicking on the arrow next to Protection Level. At this point, a user may select the ideal level of protection across multiple categories. Protection levels range from no protection to light, medium, or strict. Next, scroll through the existing categories to find gambling. Click on the category and notice how it has switched from allowed to blocked. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. You have effectively blocked any user from accessing gambling sites while using your network. Time of day filtering can be set at the web filter level, or you can shut off the Internet completely using the Internet Off feature, which allows users to prevent overuse of the Internet by limiting the time of day options. As an employer, you might want to prevent gambling for your employees during business hours. Here are the steps to enable time of day restrictions. Under Protection Preferences, make sure the toggle button is in the On position. Click Create Rule and select the day and time restrictions you would like to set for your employees. Next, click Create Rule. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. You can also block Internet use entirely. If, for example, your business is closed on the weekends, you may choose to prevent users from hijacking your network by simply shutting down access to your Wi-Fi. Here are the steps to enable this feature. Go to the navigation menu and click Settings. Click Protection Preferences. Scroll to the Internet Off section and click Create Rule. Select the day and time restrictions you would like to set for your employees. Next, click Create Rule. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. The Block and Allow feature gives you the option to restrict or allow access to sites or domains with blacklist or whitelist settings. You can block access to a single website or an entire domain. This option is helpful if you don't want to restrict access to an entire category of sites, or if a category does not contain a site that you want to block. If you want to block content by a specific URL, click the Settings menu in the top toolbar, and then click Block and Allow Lists. Next, enter the URL that you want to block. In this example, we'll enter the URL illegalgambling.com. To check if the URL is blocked or allowed, click Check. Next, click the Block option. The URL illegalgambling.com is now blocked for any user on your network. Malblock will ask you to choose how you want to block or allow the entered URL. You can either block the entire website by selecting the URL path option, for example google.com, Or you can select the Core Domain with Subdomains option for a specific website, such as maps.google.com. To confirm your choice and blacklist the URL, click Block. The Internet Security option is turned on automatically and will protect your business from users compromising your network or their personal data if they accidentally or intentionally access infected web pages or click on phishing emails. It's strongly recommended that you keep this feature turned on at all times. Within the Malblock video library are additional short tutorials to help you configure other settings more effectively, both on the standard and premium Malblock service offerings. Please note, premium Malblock is provided at a higher cost than standard Malblock. A detailed user guide and quick reference guide can be found on our website at coxbusiness.com/start here. Thank you for being a valued Cox Business customer.